Chapter 1. Knowing your computer. A computer is a machine that performs specific tasks according to a set of instructions or programs. Earlier, computers were used mostly by scientists and engineers for complex calculations, and they were very costly too. Nowadays, computers are available at affordable prices. It has become a need in every sphere of life. Anatomy of a computer. A computer comprises of two major components, hardware and software. Hardware. The physical components of a computer, which we can touch and feel, are known as hardware. Hardware can further be categorized into internal and external hardware. Internal hardware. The hardware components which are installed within the CPU are called internal hardware. For example, RAM, ROM, disk drives, hard disk drives, CD/DVD drives, motherboard, network card, sound card, video card, etc. CPU. CPU is the main unit of a computer. RAM, random access memory, is a type of memory that is available for the operating system, programs, and processes to use when computer is running. It is volatile memory. This memory is lost when the computer is shut down. ROM, read-only memory, is a type of memory from which we can only read information but cannot write on it. It is a non-volatile memory, therefore the information is stored permanently. Disk drives. A disk drive is a hardware component in a computer that enables users to read, write, delete, and modify data on a storage disk. Disk drives are of several types, such as hard disk drive, CD/DVD drive, etc. Motherboard. A motherboard is the main circuit board of a computer that holds the most essential components of the computer system. The base of a motherboard consists of a rigid plastic sheet. The board is the mother of all components. That is where it gets its name. Sound card. A sound card is a hardware component that is fixed either in an expansion slot or on the motherboard. It controls the input and output of the sound controls. Video card. The video card is an expansion card that is used to generate the video output to a display screen, such as a monitor, TV or projector. External hardware. The components which are attached to the computer externally are called external hardware components. These are also known as peripherals. These peripherals can be divided into three categories: input, output, and storage devices. Input devices. An input device is any hardware device that sends data to a computer, allowing you to interact and control it. These devices convert the incoming data and instructions into a pattern of binary codes and then supply the converted data to the processor for processing. Some of the input devices are discussed below. Keyboard. Keyboard is one of the most important input devices used to input data and instructions into a computer. Mouse. Mouse is the most commonly used input and pointing device that lets you select and move items on the screen. Scanner. It is an input device that scans text, images, and objects optically. The scanned data is then converted into a digital image and displayed on the computer screen. Microphone. This device is used to record and store a voice or any other sound into a computer. Light pen. It is a light-sensitive pointing device, commonly used to select or modify data on the screen. Digital camera. It is quite similar to a traditional camera that takes both video and still photographs, except for the fact that digital images can be used, viewed, and edited on a personal computer. Output devices. The output devices are used to display or print the processed information in a user-readable form. A computer can have several output devices attached to it. Some of the output devices are listed below. Monitor. Monitor is the most common output device. Just like a television, a monitor also displays the output on the screen. Printer. A printer is a peripheral device that prints text and graphics outputs on a paper. Projector. A projector is an output device that displays output on a big screen, wall, or any other flat surface. Storage devices. Storage devices are the physical components on which data, information i.e. data and instructions are saved. When the file is opened, the process is called reading. When a user edits information or data present on a storage medium, this process is called writing. Once the writing process is complete, the users can save their work. Common storage devices are hard drive. This storage medium is fitted within the CPU and is generally not portable. Now portable external hard disk drives are available as well. These store all the programs that the computer needs to work. In addition, users store their data and information on the hard drive, CD and DVD. These types of storage media hold much more information than a floppy disk. They are also considered as portable storage device. These types of storage media come in different forms. This means that there are CDs and DVDs that you can only save information on, but you cannot erase the information. USB flash drive. This is a storage medium that is very easy to carry around, and it also holds more data than CD/DVD. As you can see from the picture alongside, it is very small when compared to other storage devices. Software. A software is a set of programs or instructions, which controls the internal operations of a computer and instructs the computer about the tasks to be executed. For example, Unix, MS Word, etc. Software can be classified into two main categories: system software, i.e. operating system, and application software. System software. It is a collection of one or more programs that control and manage the overall operation and performance of a computer system. System softwares have to be installed, without which computers cannot work. An operating system, in its most general sense, is a system software that allows a user to run other applications on a computing device. It provides a user with an interface to interact with the computer. It is the link between the user and the computer. The operating system manages a computer's hardware resources, including input devices such as a keyboard, mouse and scanners, output devices such as display monitors and printers, storage devices such as internal and external drives. The OS also provides services to facilitate the efficient execution and management of, including memory allocations for any additional installed software application programs. Types of operating system. Following are the different types of operating systems: single-user operating system, multi-user operating system, multi-processor operating system, multitasking operating system, multi-threading operating system, RTOS, real-time operating system, distributed operating system. Introduction of Windows. Windows is the most widely used operating system. The popular versions of Windows are Windows 95, 98, 2000, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Whenever you switch on your computer, the operating system gets loaded into the memory along with the applications for you to work on. This is called booting. Application software. Application software is a set of programs designed to perform some specific type of tasks like MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, AutoCAD, CorelDRAW, Photoshop, Tally, etc.